Hey guys, so I just got these awesome open ear earbuds by MeloAudio. Let's take a closer look at them. This is the ZC08s by MeloAudio. Yeah, let's take a look inside. There they are. Bottom, nice carrying case, USB charging cable, and the instructions. So yeah, let's go see how these things work. They are the perfect choice for athletes with their open ear design. MeloAudio employs advanced air conduction technology to comfortably rest on your ears, which guarantees that even during extended music sessions, your ears will remain pain-free. So say goodbye to discomfort from prolonged headphone use. They have a patented acoustic chamber design with a bass-enhancing algorithm to ensure the quality is always right no matter where you are, helping to better enhance the music experience. The sound output has crystal clear quality with a deep pounding bass that makes you feel every song, giving a more immersive experience. You can enjoy all-day comfort as they are super lightweight and flexible, capable of bending 360 degrees, ensuring they stay secure and hassle-free during your workouts. And because it's designed for sports and more athletic use, it is sweat and waterproof. They sport Bluetooth multi-point connection capabilities, so you can effortlessly switch between two different devices at once. And you can also enjoy crystal clear phone calls thanks to their dual mic noise cancellation technology. The physical buttons make using it a breeze. Whether you're relaxing or working out, you can control your audio without hassle. Plus, it has over 10 hours of playtime and fast charging for added convenience. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys check out the MeloAudio open ear headphones. See ya.